Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove protection from a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So first, what are protections? Protections are basically a feature in Google Sheets that you can use to lock or protect certain cells or tables or complete tabs in your Google Sheets spreadsheet. So as you can see in this example, for instance, this tab is protected because I can edit it. But if I open up with another profile the same spreadsheet, I cannot edit that sheet. So whatever I type in my keyboard, nothing shows up because this sheet is protected. So I can remove this protection. All you have to do is go to the data in the menu bar and you're gonna see protect sheet and ranges, which will open up this sidebar here. And you can see that currently this project management table is protected. So if you click on that protected range, let me show it once again, then this sidebar will appear here where you can change the current protection or the protected cell or range. Or if you click on it, you're going to be able to click on this trash icon, which will delete the range or sheet protection. And then you have to confirm that you want to remove this protected range. Anyone who has edit access to the spreadsheet will be able to edit the content in that range. So if you're okay with this, click on remove. And as you can see, that protected range has been removed. So now this is how you can remove a protection in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.